Hello and welcome to Tech AI. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can uninstall Deepseek on your device. So let's go ahead and start the video. The first way is quite simple. Just go ahead and find the Deepseek app, tap on it, click on uninstall and click OK. This will immediately uninstall the Deepseek from your device. The second way is just go ahead and tap on it, click on settings, and you can find uninstall at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and click on uninstall and OK, and this was the second way. The third way is quite simple as well. Click on the settings on the top right hand side and search for apps. Scroll all the way down and you can find apps. Go ahead and tap on apps. Go to the search bar to search for Deepseek. After you search for Deepseek, just go ahead and tap on it and click on uninstall. Go ahead and tap on OK after that, and there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.